If a money management app is famous enough to appear in Breaking Bad,
When I input everything into the Quicken, nothing flashed red, so that's gotta mean it's okay, right?
it's probably not just some random tool. As of 2026, the Quicken software is 42 years old and still considered one of the best budgeting apps there are. But that's exactly what we need to question, right? With this Quicken Simplify review, I'm going to answer whether it is still the right app for managing your money today, or is it just another budgeting app? Let's start with the obvious. What is Quicken Simplify? Well, it's a personal finance and budgeting app that's made for people who want a clearer view of their money without all those pesky Excel sheets. The expense tracking app connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, bills, and investments, all in a single dashboard so you can see where your money is going and coming from. As you may already know, Quicken offers two versions of expense tracking. So what is the difference between Simplify and regular Quicken? Well, the classic Quicken is an older and a more detailed finance software, better suited for those who want deeper tracking, reports, and everything else under the sun. Meanwhile, Simplify is the newer, lighter, and more modern app, focused on everyday budgeting, spending, bills, as well as cash flow. It's for those who want something easier and faster to use on a day-to-day basis. So now that we know what Quicken Simplify is, let's answer another question. Is Quicken Simplify free? And if it's not, what is Quicken Simplify cost? Well, this budgeting app does stand out with its pricing, okay? Particularly because many other budgeting apps charge consumers a lot of money for something that they may open a few times per week. It is a paid app, yes, but it's really, really affordable, even considered one of the most affordable among competitors. And bearing in mind that there is no free forever plan, you might as well get an even better price on your subscription by clicking the link in the description or scanning this QR code on the screen for an exclusive discount. All right, let's continue this Quicken Simplify review with an overview of the setup process. So it's actually pretty straightforward. You create an account, connect your financial accounts, and let your transactions sync. Then you just review how the app categorizes your spending and begin adjusting your budgets, goals, and bills. And depending on how many accounts you have, the setup can take between 2 and 20 minutes. After that, it's automation. So instead of having to manually log in every purchase, Quicken Simplify starts inputting and organizing it for you. Before getting into what makes Simplify stand out, first, let's look at the main features that it offers. All right, first and foremost, you can track spending by category, check transactions, monitor account balances, set savings goals, and just get a general picture of your monthly money habits. You can also set goals for pretty much anything, starting from an emergency fund and ending with vacation bills. The goals themselves can be tracked visually, so you can actually see your progress instead of farting out numbers in your head. And if you click the link in the description or scan the QR code, you can try out the Quicken Simplify subscription for a portion of the full price and see just how beneficial the features are in reality. Now, speaking of features, with the spending plan, you can see your future cash flow, meaning that instead of only showing your current balance, it tries to answer a more complicated question. How much can I safely spend right now? And no, there's no bank account wizard. That would be cool though. Simplify factors in income, fixed bills, subscriptions, and saved goals, and helps you separate what's actually available from what's already committed. For example, your bank account might show $3,000 in there after payday. And that may look like a lot at first, but once Simplify accounts for things like rent, mortgage, and subscriptions, that number becomes more realistic. So the app doesn't just show you your balance, it tells you what you can actually spend after the important stuff is already covered. Okay, the spending plan helps you answer if you can afford things, but the bills and subscription tracking help you answer the never-ending question of where your money is quietly leaking every month. So I tried a lot of apps, many subscriptions, and many more features. Believe me when I say that this is one of my absolute favorites. Simplify can actually detect recurring payments and organize them into a clearer review list according to the recurring patterns like the same merchant name, similar charge amounts, monthly or weekly timing, and repeated billing cycles. So it includes things like Netflix, Spotify, gym, you name it. Needless to say, that small automatic charge is not going to go unseen. And if you feel like you're trapped between the limbo of forgotten subscriptions, click the link in the description and try Quicken Simplify yourself. Okay, watch lists are another feature that Simplify has. It tracks your spending areas that tend to get a bit out of control. It's really the best budgeting app for people who, like me, tend to wander off to Amazon and purchase a bunch of stuff that I admit I don't always need. So instead of building a strict budget for every category, you can choose specific areas that you need to keep an eye on. For example, DoorDash, guilty. So the watch list helps you recognize patterns before they turn into actual serious problems. And, I can't talk about Simplify without mentioning the ease of use. So I know Quicken is older, than me for sure, but its main goal is to make budgeting for beginners easy. So not only does it look modern, despite its company's experience, but it also works across the web, iPhone, and Android. Again, to test it, click the link in the description, but there is another question lingering in the air. Is Quicken Simplify safe to use? After all, it connects to your bank and other accounts, but yes, it's safe. See, it uses secure financial integrations and encrypted connections that are similar to other finance apps. And because it's a paid product, the experience is clutter-free and makes monitoring your finances easier. But no matter how safe the app may be, always, and I mean always, make sure to use a strong password with a unique login. This way, you can ensure your own safety. However, there is no such thing as perfect. So while testing the app, I did notice some cons. All right, first, there is no free forever tier. And some users are going to find Simplify less advanced than classic Quicken, though in my opinion, Simplify is more than enough for simple users like moi. The business features may require upgrading, so it's not automatically the full package for freelancers or side gigs. Another thing I really wanted to see was two-factor authentication. I mean, come on, it's everywhere now, and the users could really benefit from an extra safety feature. The business features may require upgrading, so while it's an automatic solution for side hustles and freelance gigs, it can grow as your financial life gets more complex. This means you don't need an alternative tool if you suddenly require more advanced financial help. So all in all, Quicken Simplify is a really solid app that helps beginners with their budgeting journey. It's full of features that aim to not only watch over your finances, but also to make sure your spending habits get better. So click the link in the description, get that discount, and start budgeting. All right, see you later.